Okay. Secret lottery strategy to occupy the winning number all the time. These are an actual previous result. So we get 6 to 9 previous results. This will be used to identify the skips. Okay. Now, based on previous results, these are the skips for number 1. It was not drawn in a multiple draws. In a 9 to 6 draws, it was not drawn. 1 was not drawn. 2 current, it was drawn currently. 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, currently drawn. 6, 2, 7, 1, 8, currently drawn. 9, 3, 0, 1. So, based on the previous results that I have here, my called number is the number 1. My called number is the number 1. So, number selection based on the previous results and the skips are 1, 4, 9, 2. And these are my combination 1, 4, 9, 4, 9, 2, 1, 9, 2, and 1, 2, 4. Now, if my combination and number selection and it resulted on a loss on that day, I will additional 1 number. So, my current selection are 1, 4, 9, 2, and 3. Now, I occupied 5 number. So, my increase of odds of winning drastically is higher now. My final combination occupying a 5 number selection. Odds of winning increase drastically just by adding a 1 additional number. Guys, hope this simple trick is very clear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.